Many dream of money flowing in without constant effort, imagining a life where income arrives regardless of their active involvement. Imagine waking up wealthier than when you went to bed. A concept that might seem like a fantasy to some. This isn't a pipe dream. It's the tangible reality of true passive income, meaning you generate wealth even while you sleep. Let's uncover the genuine secrets to making your money diligently work for you. Freeing up your most valuable resource, your time. The first powerful secret lies in the creation and sale of digital products. Envision developing an ebook, an online course, or even a unique template just once. These digital assets possess the incredible ability to be sold repeatedly with minimal ongoing effort after their initial creation. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy streamline distribution, making it effortless for your product to reach a global audience. Your creation continues to earn revenue, often for years, long after its initial development, embodying the essence of scalability and evergreen content. Another remarkably effective strategy involves real estate, but cleverly bypassing the traditional landlord headaches. Real estate investment trusts, widely known as REITs, allow you to own a fractional piece of vast, income-generating properties. As an investor, you earn consistent dividends derived from rents and property appreciation, providing a reliable income stream often paid monthly or quarterly. This represents a highly passive way to invest in real estate, offering valuable portfolio diversification without direct property management. Beyond traditional investment avenues, consider the immense potential of high-yield dividend stocks. These are shares in established, stable companies that consistently pay out a portion of their profits directly to their shareholders. Critically, selecting companies with a robust history of consistent dividend payments and growth is paramount. Your initial investment grows, and you simultaneously receive regular cash payments. A powerful combination. This stream of income can compound significantly over time, dramatically accelerating your overall wealth accumulation. The magic of compounding truly makes your money actively work to generate even more money for you. An often overlooked area for passive income is licensing your existing skills or creative works. Think about submitting stock photography, composing music for libraries, or even patenting an innovative idea. Once licensed, every use of your creation generates a royalty, providing a genuine passive earning stream. Furthermore, affiliate marketing, when strategically executed, can also become remarkably passive. The approach involves building valuable content, perhaps a blog or a YouTube channel, that consistently ranks in searches or attracts an engaged audience. You then seamlessly include affiliate links to products or services you genuinely recommend and believe in. Sales generated through your unique links automatically earn you a commission, transforming your content into a continuous income generator. The key here is to create content that serves an audience's needs long-term, ensuring its lasting relevance. It's crucial to remember that initial effort is almost always required to establish these passive income streams. Passive doesn't imply no work, rather, it signifies front-loaded work. The ultimate goal is to completely detach your income generation from your active time commitment. This detachment liberates your time, allowing you the freedom to pursue other passions, spend time with loved ones, or simply enjoy life without direct financial tethering. Consistency in building and nurturing these income streams is absolutely vital for long-term success. Begin small, thoroughly learn the chosen strategy, and then progressively scale your efforts. Diversifying your passive income sources is also essential for creating true financial resilience. Imagine the profound freedom and peace of mind from waking up to new money flowing into your accounts every single day. It's fundamentally about designing a life where financial stress is minimized, allowing you to live on your own terms. Begin today by simply choosing one strategy that resonates with you and commit fully to building it. This is how you truly unlock your financial freedom while you sleep.